Okay, put this here.
Doug Thompson is an alternative and some would say unorthodox scientist. Doug designs Overunity motors, that is, motors that put out more energy than it takes to run them, producing a perpetual flow of free energy.
Let's see. It's okay, go, go, go. Here. What we have here is a motor that can run continuously forever because you run it on one stack of batteries and you charge up another. So this is a combination motor generator. This is what I'm into now. You have a little motor right here. Now the way the motor works, it's a pulse motor. So what you're doing is you're turning it on, making this electromagnet have power so it pushes the magnet away. So what I'm doing here, if anybody wants to know the circuit, is I take the battery, put it into the coil, and then just before it gets to ground, I put a switch on it so it turns on and off. And here's the switch right here. It's a magnetic reed switch. It's a switch that's controlled by a magnet going by it. This flame that happens inside this reed switch has a lot of power to it. It should have as much power in there going in as coming out, because every time that coil turns off, all the energy contained in the coil comes kicking back. Now you can take that energy that kicks back and put it into a second battery and charge up a second battery. So now there's this flame here, and to make it vanish, conventional electric motor builders will just ground it out or something. But what you want to do is you want to put a full wave bridge rectifier. It's this component you can get at Radio Shack for $1.50. It changes AC into DC. Look at that baby go. Here's the battery being charged here. Watch the volts on it. See, look at this. 12.65 already. 12.66. See, it's going up. And it's going to go all the way up. It's going to go all the way up to 14 if you want. So a few days ago, I ran this motor for 50 hours. And I rocked the batteries forth. I switched them back and forth about 3 or 4 times. And at the end, I still had like 12 point something volts, and I could have gone a lot longer. So what this is it's a motor. I call it an Overunity motor, in that you're using so much power and you're always charging up another thing. So you always have a stack of batteries being charged when you run out of your batteries on the other side of the system. It's like the simplest thing in the world. And it's a motor, which means you can turn a generator with it. And now all the electricity the generator makes is free. Or you can turn a water pump with it, or anything you want, or a car. You can stack these. You can make 12 on a shaft if you want. So that's what I'm looking to have, is like a commercial unit people could buy in a store, something like this. Just something that runs on car batteries, charges car batteries, and you have excess power with a generator to do whatever you want with. So it's free energy because you don't have to pay for it. It's just happening. It's free.